G'day, Stu from UOV Futures here, and today, well, I'm going to have a bit of a ramble because, well, not a ramble, I just sort of filmed this and I'm rambling already. But what we're doing, this is the last video of 2018, it's New Year's Eve, so hopefully everybody out there, I hope you have an amazing 2019, best wishes, stay safe, have an awesome time. But what we're doing today, we kind of stole someone else's video for the last video of 2018, and that is our boy Granger FPV. So if you've seen the channel recently, he's been doing a lot more work on the channel, and he made this really cool vlog, and he asked if he could put it on my channel, and look, I was like, yep, you know what, let's do it. Let's put it in here, and what I want to do, we're going to watch this together, and let's give him some feedback. So some things we like, some constructive criticism. Remember, let's be kind. He's just a 16-year-old kid, but, you know, I'm really proud of the work he did. But what do you guys think? So we're going to watch a video together, you know, talk about the things he liked, he didn't like. He went to the Australian Nationals, and man, well, I don't want to ruin it, but yeah, he has some skills to pay the bills, that is sure. But we're going to roll his video in a second. But before we do, I'm getting a lot of messages on my Discord about a couple of different giveaways we're running, so let's clear some of those things up. The first one for, like, there should be a form down below where you enter it once, put your details in, and then whenever we do these draws, I want to do them like once a week for you subscribers. You can win something or whatever the prize is at the moment. Congratulations to this person, your name up here or email down there. Whoever that is, when that's drawn, that should be flashed on the screen when I'm editing this. Congratulations, because you won this little 2S Woot from LD Arc or King Kong. So check your inbox, spam box. I'm going to be emailing you on how we can ship that out to you. There is a trash can winner. That'll be linked down below on the Discord server, so you can check there. I posted the winner there this morning. You need to make an unlisted video and send that to me. And the last bit of the giveaway, I guess the biggest one, the $10,000 drone giveaway of like 100 plus drones to my Patreon supporters. That is getting drawn very soon. The month is coming to an end, so it's kind of your last chance. If you want to get in there, look at all that sort of stuff. There's over 100 plus drones. Definitely think, and if you enjoy the channel, think about signing up to become a Patreon supporter, because look, I couldn't do this without you, and there's also a bonus, whole bunch of stuff that's going straight out back to you guys. But that's it, enough rambling. I wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you're going to have an amazing 2019. I can't wait to do some amazing stuff on UOV Futures. And yeah, kind of like a bit of a welcome to Granger. So we're going to be seeing him a little bit more on the channel as well. I'm about to go have a cuppa, ring Grumpy Trev, see what he's up to. But yeah, hopefully guys, enjoy this video we stole from Granger FPV. Share some love for him down below in the comments. Enter the forms, and also go check out Granger's channel, because I'm pretty sure you're going to be seeing a lot of him in the future, both on this channel and I think also in the FPV community, because I think you're going to be quite surprised when you see what this kid can pull off. Anyway, enough rambling. Subscribe for more FPV related Happy New Year's Eve sort of surprises, and as always, happy flying. Let's roll Granger's video in 3, 2, 1. Whoop.
G'day! Granger here from UOV Futures, and today... Yeah, no, that doesn't work very well, does it? You're probably wondering why you see me instead of Stu. That's because today I'm going to Perth to race the 2018 Australian Drone Nationals. I'm a bit nervous because I haven't been on a plane for a long time, but hopefully it goes alright. And I'm also really excited because I'm going to be able to meet some new people, and that's what I like most about this hobby, is meeting new people at all different ages, because age really doesn't matter in this hobby, because everyone at the end of the day loves FPV, and that's what I think FPV should be about, is just having fun. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so yesterday was practice and 2 qualifying. I didn't film too much because I was really nervous, and it was a bit intense, and the last pack was basically at night because they were running behind time. But today is just going to be all qualifying. I'm just fixing up quads right here, and yeah, hopefully it all goes well today. So far I'm qualifying 11th, so I'm really happy with that, and yeah, hopefully we can keep that going. Hell yeah. Alright guys, we're going out for the first qualifying round. We have Matt over here. He's very sunburned.
Look at this guy, flying well, like a champion.
Oh, thank you mate, thank you. This is going to sound scripted, but it's not. It's not scripted. Alright.
Granger, your leader, coming from our right to left.
Oh, he's smashing it hard. I was mesmerized with how he was just taking some lines before. It was blowing me away.
Green LEDs, if you're watching line of sight on the backside, you get a 40.7 to open.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
T with the 49.5.
You can see the colors getting around there. We've got a blue, we've got a pink, we've got a green, we've got a yellow. These are all looking quite good here.
Yellow is T on lap number 2. Pink, I want to say, is Neon. Red is Kentucky. Archman should be white. JD Noodle should be blue. Again, you're chasing the green. Granger, who's going to be off. Well, he's about at our 50-yard line at the moment. High side of those big sock towers. Now to our extended split S, can go right to left. There goes Granger onto lap 3 with a 37-7.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. He's already sitting pretty with a
117. He was
a 77.
Yeah, not too far off his best time there, but
A 77, not a 117. 77. So right now, if he's under 40, he's going to climb up a little bit more. Right now, he's 12th. T gets onto lap number 3 with a 50 and change. Neon with a 53 and 4. Question is, does Granger break the top 10? Yeah, he does. Remember, I said he had to be under a 40. How about a 34? Yep, 37 and 34 give him a total of 72. Granger in the number 6 spot. And I think that's where he's going to plant it. Not maybe intentionally. He's in a gate. But he's got to be happy just outside of the top 5 with one more pack to fly. That is a huge jump. A huge jump. Not enough, but a pretty good round right there. Kentucky.
Alright guys, so we're back home now. I didn't get to film too much at the end of the day because we had to get from our hotel to the airport, and it was a massive rush, and so I didn't get to film too much there. But it was an absolutely awesome week. I had so much fun. I loved meeting all the people, and I want to say a massive thanks to Tim, who basically organised the whole thing, and Rhett Mooney, because they made it for a very smooth running event. There was no problems. We got to fly heaps of packs, and everyone was happy. So I definitely, my hat's off to them. You're probably wondering what I finished. I came 9th in Australia for the racing. And I think I came 8th for freestyle, so that was really impressive on my behalf for me. I cannot believe I did that much. Top 10, I got my goal. I was happy with that, and that was pretty incredible. I was one spot away from the cash money, but that's alright, who cares about that. I want to thank Josh Connolly and his dad. That was awesome fun with them. They helped me get my stuff ready, and they helped me get there as well, so they were a massive help. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was an awesome week, and anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Definitely go check out my channel. Obviously I got to give myself a little plug. It should be over there, Granger FPV. Anyways guys, catch you in the next one. Happy flying.